guys, it's Fidget Girl.
Fidget Mom. We got something special. I've been waiting for this one for a long time, and so has somebody else. And we have pillows so that if we drop it, it will not attack. It will not have hurt the floor. It's wrapped up completely well, but this one can't get it out of the box.
Whoa.
Here we go. So far we have bubble wrap.
There's more bubble wrap in there. Oh!
That's all we need.
I just showed that. I don't.
Well, this you have to be really careful with. This is the most important piece in the collection. You see that word, wrapped. It is a wrapped. Okay. But wait, I gotta open this. Gotta be really careful with this one. I want to make sure it's been given the same love and care.
ASMR.
They like to hear the noises of the tape. Hey, you can't do that because you're gonna shake the camera. You want to be careful not to do that and take anything off.
Well, it's open.
It slightly is. Painter's tape is somewhat ideal, but not amazing. Hey, we can, but no we can't, because there's a whole side here that has yet to be and this has, again, needs special love and care.
I'm opening.
You will open it. Just give me a second. You got the final corner, and I thought you wanted to do some ASMR, so, alright. Wait, I want to make sure that this can actually open. Now we don't attack the box. Wait. I know you're excited. Here. Alright.
There's Fidget Nerd in there.
Fidget Nerd. I guess he wanted to tell me about Fidget Nerd, who's pretty cool. And there's some tape stuff. And a screw.
Also wrapped. ASMR. Let's do this.
ASMR. Everybody listening to the noise.
Shh.
I'm making meditative commentary.
How is this so special?
Oh, you'll see.
Just a metal thing.
Do you know what she just said about this wrapped? It's just a metal thing.
It's just a metal slider.
It's just a metal slider. This is one of the most extremely coveted sliders in the world. Okay? Extremely coveted. I won't say anything further. I'm not even going to try the ladder because I don't want to drop him or her on the floor and do anything. This is a holy grail of fidgets. That's all I'm going to say. We're going to weigh it because I don't know why.
Just turn it up, whatever.
But
watch.
That, I think...
Oh, 82, that's not that heavy. Why is it so cool?
Because it's the wrapped. And look how wrapped it is. It's so cool. 81.
It's all that wrapped.
It's really nicely... Look at the detail there. It's pretty cool.
Should we check how long it is?
Oh, I finally learned how to use the caliper.
I don't know how to use it. Just put it like this.
No, yeah, you got to put it on that side and not on the other side. So.
What? You put it on the other side?
I always put it on the other side. I know I was doing it wrong. You're teaching me how to use things.
I know how to use it.
Kids are supposed to teach their adults how to use tech. Wait, it's not in the. It's no. You got to put it on here because this is how the video is going to be watched. Okay. I don't know what you're doing.
I think that's perfect. I'm guessing both of them together it's gonna be like this long. I was close.
So
that means
just
it's 91 inches
okay.
and 34 centimeters.
And this is just in case anyone wanted to know what this is actually called. This is the Cosmic Rainbow, and this is the SSI Rainbow Zirc. So this is zirconium, and it feels nice. But again, it's such a coveted piece that I gotta be really careful handling it. Again, you can't see the pillows, but they're on the floor.
I'm stepping on them. It's like, yeah.
It just has a lot of love.
I'm doing the best ASMR.
If you're doing ASMR, that is great, but you're also shaking the camera. So how about you stop the ASMR and let's appreciate this cosmic rainbow. There's even the anodized sides of the rainbow if you look carefully. So it's just a piece of metal?
Yeah. It's a slider.
What's your score on this one?
I think I think like a 9.
So it's just a metal slider, but it's a 9. Okay.
Because I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's just
All right.
3. Shh.
A 9.3. All right.
No.
A 3?
Just a 9.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
That's why I was gonna say 3 because I'm at 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you just want to have ASMR time. Well, this is not an ASMR channel, so this is the Fidget Family channel. And if you want to create your own ASMR channel, or if you want to create another channel of you burning pasta or wooden spoons, she's done that in the past, creating YouTube videos, then by all means. But I don't know if we want to do that here. I don't know if our watchers are going to want to watch that, and if they do, they should comment and say so. But there's the special Holy Grail piece that I've been waiting to open, and that he has been waiting for me to open. And I am going to cherish this baby a lot. I promise. I really will. So thank you, New Hampshire CG.
Like and subscribe and follow for more videos. Bye!
So evidently I was remiss in not including a UV view of this baby. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. This will be, again, the cherished item. Just so smooth and nice. And glad to have it. Oh, look, this glows too. This is glowstone, actually. So, and this one as well. It's actually pretty cool. This one does to some degree, but we're focusing on this, not on that. And this, again, is beautiful. And you might hear kids in the background because they ran away, and it's hard to have them stand straight in one place. So it's just me, myself, and I just showing you some beautiful stuff. And this is really beautiful. All right. Do what you need to do to keep watching.